In this video, we are going to review how to get in and out of the car after leaving the hospital after having a total joint replacement surgery. Now, one option might be to use the back seat, sliding yourself across the back of the seat with your legs out in front of you. The only problem with this is that you may not have the strength after surgery to do that. So we're going to review how to get in and out of the front seat. I also have a car assist handle here that may come in handy in that process. So we're going to take a look at that now. So I am going to instruct Christina as if she's just had a total knee replacement. We're going to say her surgical leg is her left side. So as she's gotten out of the hospital, out of the wheelchair, she's up on her walker. We're going to instruct her to turn around so that she has her back toward the car. Okay? So she's turning around. She's going to back up to the car until she feels it at the back of her leg. We're going to sit down here just as if we would in a chair. So I'm going to place this car assist handle so that she has a handhold as she comes down. I'm going to have her move her left surgical leg forward a little bit. She's got her hand on this part of the handhold assist. As she comes down, we're going to watch her head, reach back into the car with the other hand, and sit down on the side of the seat there. Okay, just take your time. Good. Watch your head. Good. We're going to take the walker out of the way. Now, we've moved the car seat all the way back. I've also laid the back of the seat down just in case she needs to scoot back into the car a little bit more. Depending on the person's height, you may need to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assist this leg. I'm going to have her scoot back into the seat, kind of back this way and then back this direction as I help her get this leg into the car. So I'm going to bring this leg right up into the car. There you go. And then I'm going to let her bring her other leg in and get turned around there. Okay? So that's getting into the car. And then once she's in the car, of course, you may want to put the seat back up to give her a little bit more comfort on the ride home. Now, when she's coming out of the car at home, what we're going to do is have her start scooting forward. So I'm going to step over. I'm going to assist this leg over here. I'm going to have her go ahead and bring her good leg out of the car, and then I'm going to help her with the surgical leg. We need to remember that we can go ahead and bend at the hip. Go ahead and scoot forward, Christina. There you go. Scoot to the edge of the car. We're going to let this leg down. Okay. There we go. And we're going to place the walker in front of her. We have the handhold assist here at the side. We're going to watch her head as she comes out. We're going to have her scoot her bottom forward on the seat so that her weight is forward. She's going to push up, and as she comes up, we're going to take a hold of the walker with one hand and then with the other. And we've got our gait belt on, so that helps allow us to help her a little bit as she's coming out of the car as well. So that's how you instruct someone on getting in and out of the car after a total knee replacement. Check out the comments section below for further details.